Taste Holdings has investments in two main divisions. That's the National Wholesale Jewellery and the food division, trading as Dominos, Maxis, and the Fish and Chips Co.
Yeah, so this one's here because when we talk fast food restaurants, we've always got to put Taste in. It's a young company, smaller, 823 million rands worth of market cap. PE 23, dividend yield 1.96, but it's one of the survivors of the class of listings in 2007, and it's kind of a franchise business, but it's basically mostly focused on pizza, and then it has the jewelry division.
Did I give all the details around the market cap, or did you do that?
Exactly, I did that.
You did that. I wasn't listening to you.
Scale-wise, we're now below R1 billion, so that's quite a lot smaller, but Carlo Gonzaga and his colleagues done a super job. They've bought their way into a couple of new things. Now this international partnership with Dominos.
Would you potentially look at waiving your R1 billion rule here because you don't look traditionally at stocks below R1 billion?
We have, on occasion,
on market cap,
definitely called it hot because it's been a little bit of a rising star. You'll see the share price reflects good, solid progress. Look, I think they are going to have to work hard to get the Domino's brand into the market at a level which is, attractive. Because again, pizza is a pretty competitive
It is tracking sideways here from a Taste Holdings perspective.
So after a very nice move where it recovered from the big slump of 28, 29, it's now come along and doing nicely. Lately,
is there some value unlock though? It's going to need a kicker from these levels.
There's also the fact that they doubled down on the jewelry side of the business by buying in Arthur Kaplan in addition to National Wholesale Jewellers as well. I think some people would prefer them to be just a food-oriented group rather than being a generalized kind of franchise player.
Hot or not on Taste?
I'm going to tip it and give it the hot because I like Carlo's approach and I like the fact that it's stabilized price-wise. The Fish and Chip Company, we haven't even mentioned that. That's an excellent franchise, big selling.
All of these operations have some fish and chip element, or maybe not all, but the majority.
And that's a popular menu option. The way that's typically sold is with very large portions of chips and fish, whitefish, and that's popular in high transit, high traffic type areas, peri-urban townships, that kind of thing.